Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting only what you need, no extra trips. Grab 6 cones, 3 poles, elastics, and a pump, then measure the area and mark 10, 20, 30 meters. Once done, cut any PVC to length and smooth edges so nothing snags. Make small bundles, cones plus poles, tools in one box. This saves time when assembling. Make sure to test the pump and check zip ties. Replace any brittle plastic before you build. You now construct the core equipment. Start by assembling the PVC frame. Insert uprights into crossbars and secure with bolts. This gives a rigid base. Once stable, attach a net or tarp with zip ties spaced about 10 centimeters. This controls rebound speed. Next, mark 3 target rectangles and glue or sew foam backing for consistent bounce. As you work, test tension. If rebound is too strong, add another layer of tarp or reduce net tension to slow returns. You finish by placing the equipment where drills will run, usually 5 to 15 meters apart depending on passing or shooting practice. Once placed, run 3 test reps to check rebound angle and ball return, adjust tension or target height as needed. Make sure to secure any loose parts and pad sharp edges before players use it. Troubleshooting tip. If the rebound is unpredictable, reduce net tension and retest. Inconsistent bounce usually comes from uneven tension or a warped frame, so
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.